The Ant and the Grasshopper. It was a bright sunny summer day. The ant was working hard, carrying food to its home. The grasshopper, on the other hand, was sitting under a tree, enjoying the sunshine and playing his fiddle. The grasshopper saw the ant and called out to him.
"Hello, Ant. Why are you working so hard? Come and relax. Life is too short to spend all day working."
"I'm storing food for the winter. You should do the same, Grasshopper. Winter will be here before you know it."
"Oh, don't worry about that. Winter is months away. There's plenty of time to gather food. Right now, I just want to enjoy myself."
The ant shook his head and kept working.
"Suit yourself, Grasshopper. But don't say I didn't warn you."
The grasshopper laughed and kept playing his fiddle, while the ant worked tirelessly day after day. Months passed, and winter finally arrived. The ground was covered in snow, and there was no food to be found anywhere. The grasshopper was cold and hungry. He remembered how the ant had worked all summer, and decided to visit him. The grasshopper knocked on the ant's door.
"Hello, Ant. It's me, the grasshopper. I'm so hungry, and I have no food. Could you share some food with me?"
The ant opened the door and looked at the grasshopper.
"Grasshopper, I told you to prepare for winter, but you didn't listen. While I was working, you were playing your fiddle and wasting time."
I know. I made a mistake. I didn't think winter would come so quickly. Please help me. I've learned my lesson."
The ant thought for a moment, and then gave the grasshopper a small portion of food.
"I'll help you this time, but let this be a lesson. Hard work pays off, and it's better to be prepared than to be sorry."
The grasshopper nodded. Moral of the story: it is important to work hard and plan for the future.